This is the luxury world. Get inspired with us today and tomorrow. As collectors, the challenge with market-wide predictions, recommendations, and even basic observations is that specific brands, models, and even particular references can sometimes move in directions that contradict broader market trends. For years, Rolex watches have been viewed as more than mere timekeeping tools. They have become coveted status symbols and profitable investments for many. With their timeless design and the scarcity that makes them difficult to acquire, their resale value continues to rise. But what drives this trend? In this video brought to you from Luxury World, we will delve into the factors shaping Rolex's current market position, with a special focus on specific models that have been significantly affected by the recent market downturn. We will take a detailed look at the Rolex market to pinpoint which models are seeing unexpected drops in value. By analyzing the underlying reasons for these trends, we aim to shed light on the current market dynamics and provide valuable insights for both experienced collectors and those looking to buy their first Rolex. If you have not subscribed to our channel yet, we encourage you to do so to stay informed about future content. Now, let us dive into the latest update on the Rolex market. Recently, Rolex released some fresh models and discontinued a few classics, which has naturally stirred up market prices. To grasp the current landscape, let us rewind and review price trends over the past few years. High demand and limited supply pushed prices above retail. At the same time, retail prices for new Rolexes at authorized dealers have steadily increased each year, gradually closing the gap between retail and market prices. As we look at current market trends, a few key points emerge. For instance, flashy solid gold pieces are now being offered at unexpectedly good discounts. Steel and gold models are often priced below their list prices as well. On the other hand, steel professional models continue to sell above retail, driven by the strong hype among enthusiasts, though their prices are holding steady. While there have not been any dramatic shifts in monthly price changes, prices are fluctuating slightly, suggesting that buyers are actively on the lookout for good deals. Let us now shift our focus and examine some of the Rolex models that have recently experienced a decline in their previously high market value. Let us now examine the Rolex GMT Root Beer model. Currently, it is priced close to its list price of $14,300, so if you are not keen on waiting in line, you might find one available for just above retail. Next, we have the Guinness model, which features a striking blend of steel and yellow gold on a Jubilee bracelet with a black and gray bezel. It is presently selling for around $15,500, slightly above its $14,600 list price. The Guinness is often praised as one of the sleekest GMT Master 2 models, now surpassing newer all-steel versions in popularity. Turning to the Sprite and Pepsi models, which were once hard to find before the Watches and Wonders event, they are still in production, leading more sellers to enter the market rather than wait until 2025 to see if they get discontinued. This influx has resulted in price drops of about $1,000 to $2,000, depending on factors like bracelet type and age. Interestingly, the GMT Sprite is traded more frequently than the GMT Pepsi, as many collectors prefer to keep the Sprite in their collection rather than wear it. Meanwhile, the Batman and Batgirl models in the GMT lineup are holding steady, with prices ranging from $13,000 to $14,400, remaining popular among both buyers and sellers. Finally, the recent excitement surrounding the steel GMT Master 2, affectionately known as Bruce Wayne by enthusiasts, has spurred interest in the older full black bezel GMT 116710LN model, which was produced from 2007 to 2019. This model, with its rich horological history, is currently available for around $12,700, making it a great option for those exploring the Rolex world. Turning our attention to the Daytona, the new 126 reference models in steel are causing quite a stir. The white dial version is currently trading around $36,250, while the black dial version is somewhat more affordable at about $31,250. This increasing price gap indicates that white dials are becoming scarcer. For those who prefer a mix of metals, the Daytona with a black dial is a great option, priced at approximately $23,750, making it a popular choice for those who like steel and gold combinations. Additionally, Daytona models with Oyster flex bracelets are maintaining their value impressively, often outperforming some of the more luxurious metal versions in Rolex's collection. The classic 116 reference series, including the white gold Ghost and the yellow gold Pikachu, also remains highly valued. The Ghost, with its more attractive price point, continues to be a preferred choice, offering a compelling alternative to newer models. The Datejust 41, particularly with its mint and Wimbledon dials, remains popular due to its availability in brand new condition. Recently, some two-tone models have been selling for less than their list prices, making them attractive to those who enjoy the steel and gold combination without breaking the bank. Furthermore, the classic white or black dial steel models maintain a timeless appeal, although they are less flashy compared to other versions. These watches offer refined elegance at a more affordable price, making them a solid option for those who value both style and practicality. Let us move on with the Rolex Explorer. The Explorer 1, especially the 40mm model, has been gaining popularity recently and is nearing its retail price on the market. There is a bit of a size debate. While enthusiasts appreciate the vintage charm of the 36mm model, the larger 40mm version is attracting more attention and higher prices, likely due to its bigger size commanding a premium. Moving on to the Explorer 2, now is a good time to consider this model. It is currently available at retail prices directly from authorized dealers, with no additional premiums. Among the two dial options, the white dial is the preferred choice, outselling the black dial. If you are interested in this watch and want to avoid waiting, you are in luck, as it is available at a fair price without the usual delay. With the Oyster Perpetual, the focus is on color and personal taste. The green dial version is popular among collectors with existing Rolexes, adding a splash of color to their collections. In contrast, the Celebration dial has not garnered as much interest from buyers, despite its market price hovering around $9,100 to $9,200. It seems that many people are betting on its future value rather than buying it for immediate use. Finding any Oyster Perpetual at an authorized dealer can be challenging, especially if you are avoiding the Celebration dial. If you do not want to wait, paying a bit more on the secondary market might be worth considering. This scarcity likely stems from lower production numbers, as Rolex often focuses on its higher margin models. Even if some Rolex models are less sought after, they still remain outstanding timepieces. This trend might offer an opportunity to acquire a genuine Rolex without paying a premium. By recognizing which models are seeing a drop in value, you can make a more informed purchase. The rose gold Date 40 with the olive dial remains a classic choice. It has not been discontinued, and its market price is steadily approaching its retail level. If you're considering adding this piece to your collection, this year could be a wonderful time. Conversely, the yellow gold model with the green dial is in high demand, leading the charts for popularity. Its market price has slightly decreased to around $45,000, still above its $33,800 retail price, but moving towards a more reasonable range. On the other hand, the Roman numeral champagne dial Date exudes timeless sophistication. While it may not be as attention-grabbing as some of the flashier models, it stands out for its elegance and value. For those interested in the Date collection and seeking a blend of classic charm and solid value, this watch is an excellent choice. Now, let us turn our attention to some watches that have maintained stable prices over the past month. When it comes to the Rolex Submariner, the Date version is currently leading the market, attracting more attention than the no-date model. While the no-date Submariner is appreciated for its clean lines and symmetry, the Date version is preferred for its added practicality. Meanwhile, the Starbucks model is fetching a premium due to its rarity. Looking further, both the steel and gold Submariners in blue and black are now available at discounted prices, with the blue version slightly outperforming the black. Both models are selling below their $13,750 list price. What are your thoughts on the topic that we shared in this video? If you enjoyed the video, we would appreciate it if you let us know by leaving a comment and giving it a thumbs up. Do not forget to follow our channel for more content. Thank you for watching The Luxury World, and we look forward to having you join us in our upcoming videos.